When it comes to short-term rentals, there is no better way to dominate your Airbnb business than through habits that you practice each and every day. But are you curious to know what these habits are? Well, in this video, I will reveal the top 10 habits that will help empower you to dominate your Airbnb business. But unlike college or online courses, success on Airbnb is not just based on formal education. Instead, it's about diving deep into the inner workings of the industry, understanding the market, and visualizing the bigger picture. It's about setting clear and achievable goals for both the short and long term. And above all, it's about approaching your activities with a high level of professionalism. So if you want to unlock the secrets to thriving in this highly competitive field, then without further ado, let's get down to business. Number 10, craft a plan. Honestly, to succeed in the world of real estate investing, you know what's very important? Adopting a business mindset and approach. Treating your investments as a professional business endeavor allows you to set and achieve both short and long-term goals. One effective tool that can help you stay focused and visualize the bigger picture is creating a comprehensive business plan. Crafting a well-thought-out business plan provides numerous benefits for real estate investors. It not only keeps you organized, but also helps you navigate the complexities of the industry more effectively. By outlining your goals, strategies, and expected outcomes, you can establish a clear roadmap for your investment journey. Having a solid plan in place allows you to track progress, make adjustments when necessary, and maintain your focus on the bigger goals, even in the face of minor setbacks. Keep watching because the secrets are only about to get bigger. Before we move on, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Spread this to others too by sharing the video as well. Number 9, know the market. Staying informed about current trends is key to making informed investment decisions. Keep a close eye on factors that can significantly impact the market, such as consumer spending habits, mortgage rates, and the unemployment rate. By monitoring these indicators and staying up to date with market changes, you can gain valuable insights into current conditions and anticipate future developments. Being knowledgeable about the market allows you to recognize potential opportunities and make proactive moves. Identifying the shifts in trends before they happen can position yourself to take advantage of emerging opportunities. This foresight and preparedness can give you a competitive edge and maximize your investment returns. To stay ahead of the game, stay connected to reliable sources of information and engage with industry professionals. Attend networking events, join real estate associations, and participate in online forums to expand your knowledge and gain valuable insights from experienced investors. Also, consider seeking the guidance of local experts who have a deep understanding of the specific market you're targeting. Remember, knowing the market is not a one-time effort. Continuously monitor trends, assess market conditions, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Number 8, spot referrals. Believe me when I say that referrals can make a significant impact on your business. That's why it's essential for you to treat everyone you come across with respect. Whether it's your business partner, associates, clients, or renters, every interaction matters. Successful real estate investors understand the importance of paying attention to detail. They listen to complaints and concerns and respond in a timely manner. By representing your business in a positive and professional manner, you build a solid reputation that attracts others who are eager to work with them. Remember, word-of-mouth recommendations carry a lot of weight in this industry. When people have a positive experience working with you, they are more likely to refer you to their network. This can lead to a steady stream of new opportunities and potential partnerships. So as you navigate the world of real estate investing, make it a priority to encourage referrals. Treat others with respect, be attentive, and maintain a professional image. Trust me, you'll cultivate a reputation that will attract new connections and propel your business forward. Number 7, find and develop a niche. New investors often make the mistake of chasing after every shiny opportunity that comes their way, but the truly successful ones know better. They understand the importance of laser-focused commitment to a specific niche. By honing in on a particular method, geographic area, and property type, successful investors establish themselves as experts in their field. They take the time to understand their products inside out and continuously work towards developing their area of specialization. This not only sets them apart from the competition, but also allows them to secure deals faster and elevate their career to new heights. Finding and developing a niche is a game changer in real estate investing, particularly in Airbnb. It brings clarity, focus, and a competitive edge. Rather than being a jack of all trades, successful investors become masters of their chosen niche, positioning themselves as go-to experts in the market. Number 6. Have good people relationship. It's not just about the properties, it's about the people. Building good relationships with others is key to becoming a successful investor, especially if we're talking about Airbnb. Successful investors pay close attention to the needs and concerns of others. They listen actively and respond promptly to complaints or issues that arise. Addressing these concerns in a professional and proactive manner will not only solve problems, but also present their business in a positive light. In short, building a strong reputation is essential. Number 5. Operate with high ethical standards. The truly successful ones prioritize fairness over finding shortcuts. They understand that their reputation is valuable and has been carefully built over years of working with professionals and interacting with others in the field. Operating with high ethical standards means being transparent and accountable in all dealings. It means treating others with respect and conducting business in a responsible manner. Adhering to these principles, you will not only protect yourself from legal repercussions, but also earn the trust and respect of their peers, clients, and partners. In a competitive industry like real estate, maintaining a solid reputation is vital. Investors who uphold high ethical standards differentiate themselves from those who engage in questionable practices. The integrity attracts more opportunities, fosters long-term relationships, and ultimately contributes to their continued success in the real estate market. Number 4. Honesty. Honesty is always the best policy. While there may not be any specific ethical obligations imposed on investors, the most successful individuals in the field understand the importance of maintaining high ethical standards. Airbnb is a people-oriented business, and one reputation can have a significant impact on success. Effective investors recognize that it's better to conduct business with fairness and integrity rather than trying to take advantage of every opportunity that comes their way. Choosing to be honest and ethical not only reflects positivity on your character, but also helps build trust and credibility within the industry. Word travels fast in the real estate world, and your reputation can precede you. Treating others fairly can help you establish yourself as a reliable and trustworthy investor, attracting more opportunities and building lasting relationships. Number 3. Understand the risks. While the real estate industry may not always emphasize the risks involved, successful real estate investors are well aware of them. Unlike stock market investors who are often warned about potential losses, real estate investors must take it upon themselves to understand and manage the risks associated with their investments. Prudent investors in the real estate sector recognize that every business opportunity comes with its own set of downsides. They approach each deal with a critical eye, carefully assessing the potential risks and adjusting their strategies to mitigate them. Number 2. Invest in accountants. Airbnb investors are no strangers to the complexities of real estate tax laws. They know that navigating these laws require expertise and precision. That's why they invest in accountants who are highly qualified and reputable. These professionals play a crucial role in managing the business books and ensuring compliance with tax obligations. While hiring accountants may incur costs, you will understand that the long-term benefits outweigh the expenses. By working with professionals, you save valuable time and money in the long run. Number 1. Build a network. Investors in the field of Airbnb recognize that they don't have to reinvent the wheel or figure everything out on their own. They attribute a significant part of their success to the support and guidance they receive from others. This could be a mentor who has walked the path before them, a knowledgeable lawyer who can provide legal insights, or even a supportive friend who offers valuable advice and encouragement. Rather than risking precious time and hard-earned money by attempting to tackle difficult problems single-handedly, smart investors embrace the expertise of others. They understand that the additional costs involved, both in terms of money and ego, are worth it in the long run. Seeking help allows them to tap into a wealth of knowledge, experience, and perspectives that can help navigate challenges, avoid pitfalls, and make informed decisions. Finding help in this arena is not a sign of weakness. It's a strategic move to leverage the expertise of those who have been there and done that. True enough, Airbnb presents a promising avenue for wealth creation, but let's not overlook the challenges that come with it. To thrive in this competitive field, equip yourself with in-depth knowledge, hone your skills, and approach it with careful planning and unwavering focus. Now I want to hear from you. What was your favorite secret or insight from the video? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. In fact, if you want to learn how to start your very own Airbnb management business completely from scratch, then watch this video next where we'll break it down step by step. So click or tap the video on the screen now, and we'll see you in the next one.